Welcome back. Now, one aspect of PowerPoint that you can use if you don't have access to a desktop computer is to use PowerPoint on the web. And what you'll do is you'll type in powerpoint.com. You'll then be asked to sign in to your Microsoft account. And we're going to use our Microsoft account. Now, depending on the kind of account you have, you'll be able to create your PowerPoint presentation in PowerPoint online and then download it to your personal computer. For example, we can click on an existing presentation, or we can create a presentation from scratch. What you'll see is you'll have most of the menu items available to you online just as you would if you were using your desktop computer. Now, the files that you'll be using will be saved to a OneDrive account connected to your Microsoft account. Working with Microsoft PowerPoint on the web allows you to share the presentation using the web. You'll be able to copy this link and share the link with another individual. That individual will have permissions that you will set. So for example, if you don't want the individual who receives the presentation to be able to edit it, you'll then be able to make it so that that individual will not be able to edit the presentation when you link them to it. Now, if you were to use the share command from the File tab and you click on the share area, you're going to see that just as you can in the menu, you can share it with other individuals, or you can embed the presentation in your blog or website. So we can click on this embed code. We can then click generate. We'll then have an embed code. We can then copy that code and we can head to our WordPress website or whatever website builder you're using. When you get to your site, what you'll be able to do is to add a block of custom HTML. You'll add in the HTML code. You'll then publish your page. You can then view your live page. And your presentation will be embedded on your page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.